Discover the allure of 108.4 acres of pristine, rolling Kansas countryside, a dream come true for outdoor enthusiasts and hunters alike. This heavily wooded land, complete with a thoughtfully developed trail system, invites exploration, whether by foot, horseback, or ATV. The property features a beautifully sized pond, enhancing the natural scenery and serving as a focal point for this picturesque retreat. An absolute haven for Kansas whitetail deer hunters, this land is teeming with wildlife, making it ideal for hunting or simply enjoying the wonders of nature. With less than a mile to a solid surface road and easy access to Augusta and Wichita, this is a rare find combining peaceful seclusion with excellent connectivity. Located within the desirable Augusta School District, this versatile property offers limitless potential. Whether you envision a private retreat, a homesteader's paradise, or the ideal home site for your dream residence, this land is ready to accommodate. Additionally, with future development possibilities, this acreage could be a strategic investment as well as a sanctuary. This remarkable property is more than just land, it's a canvas awaiting your vision. Come see it to truly appreciate its beauty and potential. For more information, contact broker and auctioneer Bill Eberhardt at 316-655-3690.